Camera Guy app, new trending app. So here is a better portrait. So what is that? So this is the app which helps you to create better composition with help of AI. So not this is not filter app. This is not the app where you can just add some vintage filters wherever, but just create the better composition if you're not in studio. Instead of guessing where to stand, how to angle the camera, or how your subject should pose, you get clear visual guidance directly on screen, designed for everyday places like cafes, homes, cars, and outdoor spaces. Built for beginners, couples, travelers, Camera Guy removes pressure over syncing. You don't need photography knowledge or post editing. Just follow the guides and capture clean, natural photos in the moment. So yeah, that's kind of the idea how you can just see the details, tilt your phone, camera level, keep your phone level with the guide to match overlays, distance between the model, style line, pose guide. Shutter speed, zoom rate. So how to get the best kind of composition, not filters, not just the composition. Yeah, pretty cool. And then you just get in your overlay and this kind of ideas for that. So there you have it.